ikaw lost the youngest.
Somebody ought to come along and let you down.
Malungkot, sobra. Parang prepare ko lang po yung self ko. Kasi ayaw din ni Kanata na nakikita akong malungkot. And di pa magtatapos yung career niya. Parang simula pa rin to. Para sa kanya, tsaka kay Mark.
Ano po kuya, na nalaman ko po na isa po ako sa mga nominado kuya is sinusulit ko po yung time ko po sa mga housemate po kuya. Spend po ako ng time sa kanila kasi po ayaw ko po na may regret pa ko pag pag lumabas ako.
Ayoko rin naman pong maging kampante sa lahat ng pagkakataon. So, ayun po, malaking relief po sa akin yung nangyaring pagkakaligtas po sa aming dalawa, kuya.
Stay.
Break.
Kaya, kaya salamat nandito ka pa rin.
Si Kanata, it's not yet the end for her. It's just the beginning.
Malayo pang mandating.
Grabe po yung support na natatanggap ko po. Kasi 2 beses na po ako nasalba sa eviction. I have another week to help the housemates, to know them better, to build better relationships, to help the housemates win another weekly task po, kuya. Kasi pumasok tayo dito, alam natin yung
And
mangyayari.
it's very normal.
Yeah.
And we don't have choice.
Pag na-stress ka, talo ka.
Was it too late for me to talk to Mark? Because I tried on Monday. I mean, after nomination.
Every day. So okay lang daw siya, okay lang.
Yun, I feel like, because I didn't want to be a pushover din.
Yeah.
Kasi I know na we might not be comfortable. Pero parang, it's so bitin.
Umalis na po si Mark and Kanata, kuya. And they're like one of my closest friends here, kuya. Kaya and I told him na what he was doing was wrong, like that. We only told him because, we care about him. I really can't believe it, talaga. Parang joke. Pwede joke.
Hindi ba magsabi na prank lang ko lahat.
Naunawaan ko naman yan. Meron kang nakilala na bagong kaibigan. At bilang kaibigan ay hindi ka naman nagkulang sa kanya. Kaya naman, naniniwala ako na paglabas mo ng aking bahay ay patuloy pa rin na mamamayagpag ang inyong pagkakaibigan.